How to enable auto delete messages on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up the auto delete messages on WhatsApp chat. Now, let's just jump right in. First off, open up your WhatsApp application. And then from here, you need to go ahead and tap on the chat where you want to set up your disappearing messages or auto delete messages. So I'll just tap on the group right here on top. And as you can see here, the group has been already set. So new messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they're sent. So I'll do this on other chat. I'll go over to this, tap on the chat icon at the top. And to turn on disappearing messages, tap on disappearing messages over here. And you can set it up for 24 hours. You could also try a default message timer. Start your new chats with disappearing message. So just tap on it, and then I can just set it up for 24 hours. Go back. Now, once you have done that, your chats will now be deleted after 24 hours. So if I send a chat here, it will be deleted automatically after 24 hours. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you set up disappearing messages on WhatsApp. If you want to turn it off, you can go to the same settings here and just go ahead and tap on it and then select off and you're good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next